Alright guys, we got an Audi A5 3.2. Concern on this vehicle is overheat. We got a coolant problem. And you can see, I'm gonna take out this oil drain plug right here. And you notice a different color of fluid coming out because there's a coolant. The coolant stay on the bottom of the oil pan and the oil raise up on the top. So that's why you have that coolant mix with oil, and eventually there'll be a bunch of oil coming out. This thing got changed probably like 2 weeks ago, and you can tell that it's like kind of like a gold color, dark gold color oil. So it's because it's mixed with coolant, that's why. So there's a leak on this coolant leak. We don't know, could be a head gasket, PCV, could be from the oil cooler, we don't know. So stay tuned, we're gonna diagnose this problem. Next video, we'll open up the engine, the top, check out the PCV, check out the oil cooler. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe.